channel for transforming your living spaces into havens of beauty and tranquility. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're stepping outside to talk about one of the most transformative elements of any home, the patio outdoor living space. If you've been dreaming of extending your comfortable indoor lifestyle to the great outdoors, you're in the right place. We're going to dive deep into what these spaces are all about, why you need one, how to make it stunning, and what essential items will complete your perfect outdoor oasis. So, what exactly is a patio outdoor living space? It's more than just a slab of concrete or a few chairs outside. A patio outdoor living space is a thoughtfully designed area, typically paved or decked, that serves as a functional and inviting extension of your indoor home. It's where you can relax, entertain, dine, and enjoy nature, all from the comfort of your own property. Think of it as an open-air room, equipped with all the comforts you'd expect inside, but with the added benefits of fresh air, natural light, and the beauty of your surroundings. These spaces are often designed with specific zones for different activities, such as lounging, dining, or even cooking, creating a versatile and enjoyable environment for everyone. The benefits of having a well-designed patio outdoor living space are truly immense and go beyond just aesthetics. Firstly, it significantly expands your usable living area without the need for costly indoor renovations. Imagine having an extra room for entertaining guests, enjoying family meals, or simply unwinding after a long day. Secondly, it enhances your connection with nature, allowing you to breathe fresh air, soak up the sun, and appreciate your garden or surrounding landscape. This connection can have a profound positive impact on your well-being, reducing stress and boosting your mood. Thirdly, a beautiful patio can significantly increase your home's value and curb appeal, making it a wise investment. From a practical standpoint, it provides a dedicated area for outdoor activities, keeping dirt and debris out of your main living areas. Ultimately, it fosters a lifestyle of enjoyment, relaxation, and memorable moments with loved ones, making your home a true sanctuary, both inside and out. Decorating your patio outdoor living space to look beautiful involves a thoughtful approach to design, much like you would for an interior room. Start by defining the purpose of your space. Will it be for dining, lounging, or both? This will guide your furniture selection. Choose comfortable and weather-resistant furniture that complements your home's style. Don't shy away from adding outdoor rugs to define zones and introduce texture and color. Lighting is crucial for ambience and functionality. Consider string lights, lanterns, or even integrated landscape lighting to create a magical atmosphere as evening falls. Incorporate plenty of greenery with potted plants, hanging baskets, and even small trees to bring life and vibrancy to the space. Outdoor throw pillows and blankets add comfort and a pop of color, allowing you to easily update your look with the seasons. Finally, personalize your patio with decorative accents like sculptures, water features, or unique outdoor art to reflect your individual taste and create a truly inviting retreat. Now, let's talk about the must-have items for creating your ultimate patio outdoor living space. First, comfortable seating. Sofas, lounge chairs, dining chairs, or even a chic daybed are essential for relaxation and entertaining. Look for weather-resistant materials like wicker, aluminum, or treated wood. Second, outdoor tables. Coffee tables, side tables, and dining tables are crucial for holding drinks, food, and decor. Choose materials that can withstand the elements. Third, shade solutions. Umbrellas, pergolas, awnings, or shade sails are vital for protection from the sun and light rain, allowing you to enjoy your patio even on hot days. Fourth, outdoor rugs. These instantly define a space, add warmth, and introduce color and pattern. Ensure they are specifically designed for outdoor use to resist fading and mildew. Fifth, outdoor lighting. String lights, lanterns, solar pathway lights, and wall sconces create ambience and extend the usability of your patio into the evening hours. Sixth, planters and greenery. Potted plants, succulents, herbs, and flowering shrubs bring life, color, and a natural feel to your patio. Consider varying heights and textures. Seventh, throw pillows and blankets. Made from outdoor-friendly fabrics, these add comfort, pops of color, and a cozy touch. Eighth, outdoor kitchen or grill. For the ultimate entertaining space, a built-in outdoor kitchen or a high-quality grill is a fantastic addition for al fresco dining. Ninth, fire feature. A fire pit, both gas or wood burning, or an outdoor fireplace provides warmth, ambience, and a natural gathering spot, perfect for cooler evenings. 10th, outdoor audio system. Weather-resistant speakers can provide background music, setting the perfect mood for relaxation or parties. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 incredible patio outdoor living space ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Chic rooftop terrace with plush seating and greenery. Urban rooftop retreat. Chic terrace with faux fur accents and city views. This modern rooftop terrace offers a stylish and comfortable urban escape. Plush white outdoor seating, adorned with luxurious faux fur throws, creates an incredibly inviting lounge area. The clean lines of the white patio pavers are contrasted by the warm tones of the wooden privacy wall, topped with a lush green hedge for added seclusion. Large spherical outdoor lights add a whimsical touch, while the city skyline in the background reminds you of the unique setting. This patio is a perfect example of how to create a sophisticated and cozy outdoor living space even in an urban environment. 2. Modern retreat with outdoor kitchen. Sleek urban oasis. Modern patio with integrated outdoor kitchen and cozy seating. This stunning patio showcases a contemporary design with clean lines and sophisticated finishes. The light-colored tiled wall features a built-in outdoor grill area, perfect for entertaining and al fresco cooking. Plush, rounded lounge chairs with soft cushions and a rustic, natural wood coffee table create an inviting seating arrangement, ideal for intimate conversations or enjoying a quiet evening. Lush surrounding greenery and thoughtful wall-mounted lighting enhance the luxurious and private atmosphere, blurring the lines between indoor comfort and outdoor serenity. 3. Cozy patio extension with awning and indoor-outdoor flow. Charming patio extension. Indoor-outdoor living with retractable awning and lush plants. This cozy patio space seamlessly extends the indoor living area outwards, thanks to the large bifold doors that open up completely. A retractable striped awning provides flexible shade, allowing for enjoyment in various weather conditions. Comfortable wooden outdoor seating adorned with eclectic cushions creates a warm and inviting lounge area. The space is filled with a delightful array of potted plants, bringing vibrant greenery and a fresh atmosphere. A stylish outdoor floor lamp adds a touch of interior design, making this patio truly feel like an outdoor room, perfect for daily relaxation and informal gatherings. 4. Sophisticated covered patio with grill station and TV. Contemporary covered patio. Outdoor entertaining hub with built-in grill and entertainment. This sophisticated covered patio boasts a seamless blend of outdoor luxury and functionality. A prominent stone wall serves as a backdrop, featuring a wall-mounted television for entertainment. To the left, a sleek outdoor kitchen with stainless steel appliances and wooden cabinetry is ready for culinary adventures. The patio is furnished with comfortable, modern outdoor seating in shades of gray, along with a spacious dining table for al fresco meals. Abundant potted flowers in vibrant pinks and reds add splashes of color, creating an inviting and lively atmosphere perfect for gatherings. 5. Serene patio with stone walls and garden views. Tranquil garden sanctuary. Serene patio with stone retaining walls and fountain. This serene patio is a harmonious extension of a lush garden, defined by gracefully curved stone retaining walls that create a sense of enclosure and intimacy. Comfortable wicker chairs with light cushions are arranged around a small table, providing a peaceful spot for contemplation or conversation. A charming tiered fountain serves as a calming focal point, adding the soothing sound of water. Integrated lighting within the stone walls illuminates the space beautifully in the evenings, highlighting the vibrant surrounding foliage and ornamental grasses, making it a perfect spot for quiet relaxation amidst nature. 6. Charming flagstone patio with diverse seating zones. Elegant garden retreat. Multi-zone flagstone patio with vibrant accents. This charming patio features a beautiful flagstone surface complemented by gravel, creating a natural and inviting feel. The space is thoughtfully divided into multiple living zones, including a formal dining area with white chairs and a round table, a cozy lounge area with cushioned wicker furniture in a vibrant coral hue, and even a shaded daybed for ultimate relaxation. The pops of bright orange and pink in the cushions and decorative stools add a lively touch, while the surrounding lush greenery and brick wall provide a sense of privacy and seclusion, making it an idyllic garden retreat. 7. Resort-style poolside patio with stone fireplace. Mediterranean-inspired poolside oasis. Stone fireplace and pergola patio. This resort-style patio offers a luxurious escape right in the backyard. A grand stone fireplace with intricate detailing serves as a magnificent focal point, providing warmth and ambience. The pergola overhead offers partial shade and adds architectural beauty, draped with lush vines that enhance the natural setting. Comfortable wicker seating with patterned cushions is arranged around a glass-top coffee table, inviting relaxation by the stunning blue swimming pool. This space perfectly blends rustic charm with elegant outdoor living, ideal for leisurely afternoons and evening gatherings by the water. 8. Lakeside lanai with fireplace and panoramic views. Expansive lakeside lanai. Covered outdoor living with fireplace and waterfront vistas. This luxurious covered lanai offers breathtaking panoramic views of a tranquil lake, making it an ideal setting for relaxation and entertainment. The soaring wooden ceiling, complete with a large ceiling fan, adds architectural interest and ensures comfort on warmer days. A grand stone fireplace with a herringbone pattern hearth creates a cozy focal point, perfect for cooler evenings. Ample wicker seating, adorned with plush cushions and decorative pillows, surrounds a large wooden coffee table, providing multiple zones for gathering. This space truly epitomizes elegant outdoor living with its seamless connection to nature. 9. Wicker furniture ensemble on a breezy patio. Relaxed elegance. Breezy patio with natural wicker seating and lush greenery. This bright and airy patio showcases a beautiful collection of natural wicker furniture, exuding a sense of relaxed elegance. A large sofa with plush cream cushions and decorative throw pillows creates a comfortable lounge area, complemented by matching armchairs and a unique wicker coffee table with a glass top. Tall, slender plants and decorative pots add a touch of greenery, enhancing the connection to nature. The light-colored brick wall provides a subtle textured backdrop, while the open feel of the space suggests a comfortable and inviting environment for unwinding or casual conversations. 10. Large paver patio with multiple zones and fire pit. Spacious backyard entertainment zone. Multi-level paver patio with fire pit and dining. This expansive backyard features a meticulously designed multi-level paver patio, creating distinct zones for various outdoor activities. A large dining area with an umbrella provides ample seating for al fresco meals, while a separate lounge area offers comfortable sofas and armchairs for relaxation. A raised fire pit area, perfect for cozy evenings, adds another dimension to the space. A built-in outdoor grill station ensures easy entertaining. Lush landscaping with vibrant plants and manicured lawns frames the patio, creating a cohesive and beautifully functional outdoor living and entertaining hub. And there you have it. From modern city rooftops to serene garden havens, these patios truly show the incredible versatility and beauty of outdoor living spaces. Creating a patio outdoor living space is about more than just adding furniture, it's about extending your home's functionality and comfort to the outdoors. It's about crafting a personal oasis where you can connect with nature, entertain friends and family, and simply unwind. With careful planning, thoughtful design, and the right elements, your patio can become your favorite room in the house, a place where memories are made and everyday stresses melt away. Embrace the opportunity to transform your backyard into a beautiful, functional, and inviting extension of your living space. If you love these patio ideas and want to see more home decor inspiration, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let us know in the comments below. What's your favorite patio design element? We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.